weight off and help keep it off.
Here she comes. Walking her baby. Are you walking your baby? You taking your baby out for a walk? Oh, get out of the way, Grace. Taking your baby out for a walk? Strolling your baby. She's strolling her baby, Grammy. You strolling your baby over to the toy bin?
Order now to get special introductory pricing, and our new Chef's Table entree is free. Plus save 20% on your entire order.
Oh.
Get on it.
You want to turn your baby around? You want to come back this way? Here you go. Hi. Hi, Grace. Are you walking with them? Hi. Hi. Mwah. Mwah. Aww. You gonna stroll your baby? Gracie, Lila can't push her stroller. Oh, you kissing the baby. That's so nice. That's very nice. Oh. Y'all done? Say bye. Bye. Oh. Bye.